make a very simple background video layer that you could use in the background of another video. So here's an example of some clouds that are simply moving. You can imagine that this could become one of your layers in a video, and you can then put an animated object on top. So let's have a look how I've made this. So what I did was I opened up a file. So probably the best thing to do would be maybe to create a new sort of film and video format document, and that way it will actually be the right aspect ratio. And the next thing you need to do is place an image of a background, of a landscape or of clouds. So I'm just going to put one that I found on the internet. It's quite large. It's at least over 1,000 pixels wide. So I just place that, and that way it's quite large and it's not going to be pixelated. Now, what I'm going to do now is just shrink it down using Command minus. I'm going to enlarge this. Now I'm going to pick the bit that I want, which is maybe this. Okay, so there we go. So that's what I want in my video, and what I'm going to do is actually make a video animation, and I'm going to move that across. So I'm going to select that, maybe make it even a bit bigger, and then press enter. The next thing I'm going to do is go to Window, Timeline. Okay, and I'm actually going to make a video animation, and I'm going to click that. Okay, so there's my image. If I scrub across the image, there's no movement. So what I'm going to do, that's the whole image. I'm going to actually move it across. So I'm going to start from the very right, and over here I'm going to just click this, and I'm going to click the transform tool and make a keyframe. So that is now a keyframe. This is a keyframe here. Then I'm going to move this over to the very end, and I'm going to make another keyframe, and the keyframe is going to be the other side of this, or the end of this image down here. So just so that I can move this image in a straight line, I'm going to click Shift, and I'm just going to move, I'm going to click Command T so that I can move it or transform it. I'm going to click Shift so that it moves in a straight line, and that's my new keyframe. So that, I'm just going to click that again, click enter, and that will be my keyframe there. So just make sure that that's a keyframe. So if I move this across now, you can see that it's actually just moving it across. So I could save that as a moving animation, and I can place a sort of an animated figure on that, say a walking figure. Okay, now you could probably make your own landscape to suit your animated figure. I've just chosen this because it was simple and easy. Okay, so that's how you do it. Next thing I'm going to do is just simply render it. I'm going to go File, Export. I'm going to render the video, and I'm just going to render it just as a normal format, H.264, high quality. Okay, and yeah, and then click render. Don't forget to name it, and yeah, so that's it. Thank you. Bye.